Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Thanks so much for joining me today. I am here to remind you that you have a couple more days to get part of our July Craft Club kit. And I want to show you what comes in the kit and also the projects I've already made using our Craft Club kit. And then I have a quick project. I'm going to show you one more thing. So the July Craft Club kit comes with these 3 awesome wooden spoons, and it comes with the kitchen mini stencils. This is just a copy because I've already cut all mine up. So some really fun kitchen type sayings. And then at the bottom, we've got farm fresh eggs, a cow, a rooster. We've got a cupcake, bless this kitchen. And you can see all of these. These come on an 8.5 by 11 stencil sheet that you can cut apart. Then you also get a sample packet of black chalk paste, and you get some of this cute black and white checked ribbon to tie around your spoons. So here's what I stenciled. You can stencil, it's probably easier to stencil on the back of your spoon. I did this one, however, on the inside, but really fun. And then this is how I chose to display my spoons. I had this metal kitchen grater. I did one of our black chalkboard circles with the Bless This Kitchen, put some ribbon around it, and then see if I can show you in the bottom. I just put a little piece of a wooden tag that I cut to fit the bottom so that my spoons would stay in there. I'm probably going to just tie some jute around, maybe through some of these holes in the back to be able to hang this. And you can always hang a cute little tea towel or something else from here. So this is what I made during our Craft Club Zoom craft party. And then I made some coasters. We have a surface. It's our 4-count coasters. They come with the 4 white chalkboard surface coaster tops, and then some nice thick high quality cork with full adhesive on the back. So I made a cow coaster in red, a rooster coaster in the teal, a farm fresh eggs in the red, and a Bless This Kitchen in the teal. Super cute. And then an idea is you can take a little wood crate from Dollar Tree or from Michael's, and these can sit right inside. Mine's still a little bit wet, and then I'm probably going to put some black and white gingham ribbon around. But one of these crates could easily hold at least 8 or 2 sets of these coasters. So that's just another fun idea that you can make with your July Craft Club kit. I will be sure to put in the description box of this video the link so you can go right to join the craft club. I am planning another Zoom craft party in the early part of August for those who did not receive their July Craft Club in time for the first Zoom party. We'll get together over Zoom and we'll work on our craft club kits together. So what I have for you today is I'm going to make another project, like I said, using our July Craft Club. I'm using 3 of our mini cutting boards. These are also a surface available from Magnolia Design Company at my website. And I'm using a large rolling pin. Well, this is a regular size, but it is rather large and heavy, that I got at a local thrift store. You can see I painted mine to go along with my color scheme. This is Waverly's Crimson, and then I just did white on the ends. And then on my 3 cutting boards, I did use that same teal, which is Waverly's Peacock. I painted these. I did spray a matte coat of clear spray on them. So let me show you what we're going to do. You can see my workspace here. And I will flip these around so they're right side up for you. I'm going to use 3 different stencils that I haven't used yet. And we're going to put these right in the center. I also have some red and black gingham check ribbon from Dollar Tree. I plan on gluing a strip of that across the top and the bottom. It helps fill in the space a little bit. You know what? I think I'm going to, let's glue the ribbon first so I know where my placement is going to be. All right. I want a little bit of that teal to show under the ribbon. And I'm just going to tack it on the back, I think. So we'll just wrap that around. I would love to know in the comments how many of you are already part of my Magnolia Craft Club. And if you are, make sure you are part of my Facebook group that is just for the craft club. Okay, how cute is that? You could even just do the ribbon on the bottom. Let's see. No, I really think I want it on both the top and the bottom. I just feel like it frames it out a little bit better. So I'm very excited to find out what our August Craft Club kit is going to be. Probably won't find that out for another day or two. So make sure you stay stay in contact with my community tab, but especially my Facebook group, Monarch Mom DIY, and the Craft Club one if you are already a Craft Club member. I love the surprises that we get each month. I think the spoons are probably one of my favorites so far. This ribbon's a little loose. Tighten this one up a little bit. All right. So I did all my painting before I came on camera because I didn't want you to have to wait around while I was just painting the cutting boards and the rolling pin. So normally my Thursdays are like really live. This one, I'm filming it kind of like a live, but I'm on vacation. So I am here in the chat. So if you have any questions or comments, just post them there. And I will be able to respond actually more than when I'm actually live, because like right now, I'm not even looking at the camera, so, or my iPad, so I can't see your comments. But yes, let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, and I will be happy to answer those for you. All right, one more ribbon. We'll be ready to chalk, ready to stencil on our cutting boards. I love these mini cutting boards. I think they're so cute. It's a great surface, especially for these little kitchen minis. All righty. Now, if you wanted to make these two-sided, you could just either make the ribbon go all the way around or cut it off right at the side. Okay. Cutting boards are ready. Hot glue gun is out of the way. All right, we are going to do Kiss the Cook in the middle. I'm just going to fuzz my stencil on my shirt a couple times and get this centered here where I want it. I'm mostly going to use white. I think white stands out really nice on this teal. And a little bit of black accent. And I gotta have some red for these lips right here. All right, this one says Baker's Gonna Bake. Right there. One thing you want to make sure is that you really push down your stencils really well so that your paste does not go under the stencil. We want it just to go where the mesh is. Stuck to my shirt, can't get you off. There we go. And whip it good. Just reminds me of the 80s. Okay, or 90s maybe. All right, so let's do all of our white that we're gonna do our words first. And black, I'll get you ready. And Old Glory red. All right, let me grab a couple squeegees. Probably just some small ones. All right, so we're just gonna take a little bit of chalk paste here. We're gonna drag it across our stencil just until we get it all filled in. You want to avoid going over and over and over. Don't press too hard. Okay. This is like, I don't know, therapeutic kind of, just to basically make a mess on this stencil. And then when you take it off, it's always so rewarding to see the beautiful stenciled image. Turn this one just a bit. Okay. All right. So I want to work a little quickly because I don't want my paste to dry in my stencil. There's my red lips for Kiss the Cook. And we'll do black for our little spatula. And our little whisk. So the Craft Club kit comes with black chalk paste, and of course you can get other colors from my website as well. Here's our Baker's Gonna Bake. I love that with the ribbon. Can you tell I love red and teal together? All right. Peel and reveal our Kiss the Cook. Ta-da! So cute. And one more. Whip it good. Nope. Love it. All right, so there's our cutting boards using our kitchen minis. And then I will probably spray these again one more time with the clear matte, just right where the stencil is. And then let me just show you what my idea is. I don't think I'm going to stencil on the actual rolling pin. I'm going to just leave it the red and white, but let me just give you a visual here of what I'm planning. Once everything's sprayed, so here's my cutting or my rolling pin. I'm going to take some of this black and white checked ribbon. I think this is from Michael's. I'm going to tie it through the hole, and I'm going to hang these 3 cutting boards, one from this handle, one from this handle, and then one from the middle. What do you guys think? And then I'll put a jute twine on here to make a little hanger so it can hang up. I'm excited. I will be sure to post pictures of the finished product once I get everything sprayed and dried and the ribbons on there hanging. I'd love to know what other ideas you guys have, what you could use these little kitchen minis for. You could use ink, and you can stencil some cute little tea towels for your kitchen. Yeah, let me know what other ideas you guys have. Thanks so much for watching. I'd love it if you would share this video with anyone you know who might be interested in crafting, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.